Okay, source of food, medicine, Mr. 30.
Sources of building materials.
Okay, sources of building materials, ang mga kahoy na ginagawa para sa furniture at pangpagawa ng bahay. Okay, very good. What else? Pang isa. Who can tell me that one more? There's one more missing. Oh, source of food and oxygen, source of clothing and materials, building materials, medicine, decoration and beautification. Meron pang isa. Yes, 30.
Plants are great homes for animals.
Yes, that is right. Habitats for animals, and it also prevents soil erosion, ang pagguho po ng lupa. Damit na nagagawa galing sa bunga ng plant. All right. So what are they? It could be made from what? It could be made from 30.
Leaves.
What?
Pineapple leaves.
Pineapple leaves. It could be. It could be made from abaca leaves, or it could be made from cotton. Ah, good. 30.
Provide good soil, sunlight, and what?
Water. Soil, sunlight, and water.
Naman ang mula sa Quezon, Zaniel.
Understand.
Okay, tulungan natin si Zaniel. 30.
Manuel L. Quezon.
Si Manuel L. Quezon. Very good. To save us from Spain, ilang taon tayong sinakop? Mahigit? Yes, 30.
33. 333.
Very good. 333 years. Mahigit 300 taon tayong sinakop ng Spain. Okay. Ng KKK. Tama. Ano pa ang kaibang tawag sa kanya? 30.
Supremo.
Supremo. Very good. Supremo ng Katipunan. Next, si 30. Very good, 30.